Alright, so we have a task for today. And if any of you guys are asking, yes, I keep windshield washer fluid, oil, and all that fun stuff underneath here. But what we're mostly after is this little bugger over here today. So what we're going to do is we're going to try to start this truck. Ugh. Oh, don't fall, Mr. Grill. Yeah, we got Harley here. It is -10. So it's a nice temperature today. And so let's go through the tools that we have to do this. So what we have today is we have this thing. We got a little bit of gasoline. We got a good battery. We got this screwdriver. We got a set of booster cables. And believe it or not, I think we have a pair of vice grips I left here. Should be in the steering box. Please still be here. Yes! Look at that, pair of vice grips. Nice Milwaukee vice grips right there. So I was told this motor seized. A little bit of Caesar salad. So what we're gonna do is, it's not, because you can turn it over. So she's not a Caesar salad. So let's get this battery out. We'll get the new battery in. That's your negative. And then we will dump some gas down the carburetor. Let's see if this thing fires up. Okay, so we got the new battery in. We got it firmly installed with vice grips. We've already spun it over a little bit by hand. See if she turns over, and if she turns over, maybe we will get the booster cables all hooked up and everything. Okay, so key, and dash. Nothing. Oh, buddy, she's turning over. You know what that means, right? It's time for booster cables and gasoline. So this here does not look like it's been off in probably 15 years. How many mouses do you think are underneath here? Oh, if I could get this bolt off, it seems to be pretty damn rusty. Maybe I should have just brought a quick start. That way I could spray instead of pouring it. Gasoline is kind of cheaper than quick start, I guess. There we go, we're almost off. So I drive a lot of manual vehicles, but this is a 3-on-the-tree truck. Never driven a 3-on-the-tree truck. I guess that doesn't come apart. There's an air filter in there, so it must come apart. Don't lose that nut, please. Do not lose that nut. Okay, so now it's time for just a little bit of gasoline down there. Just a little bit of gasoline. Come on, come on. Yeah, perfect. Little bit. We just put a lot more gasoline down there. I don't know. Am I missing something? Where do you guys go? Well, you just fell off. That's not great. Where's the coil wires go? It's a problem. I don't know if there's like a toggle switch in here, or headlights have to be on, or how he's got this thing wired. But as far as I'm concerned, choke. I don't think it has spark. Yeah, I don't think she's got spark. was kind of hoping that this would go a little bit easier than this. Okay, do you have spark? Answer me. Okay, so in my quick deductions, we've discovered that it doesn't have spark. So, I'm not sure if it's because of this, it's because of this, but I'm going to put my money on the coil. So I don't know if I have another one of these coils here at my dad's. I can do a quick check, but I highly, highly doubt it. We're probably going to have to go take another coil from my house. So we'll have to come back another day, because I didn't bring a coil with me. Yep, that actually is bolted down there. I think I did buy a super coil the other day, so let's check the oil actually. Yeah, it's got oil. Black as night, but got oil. Alright, so I'm gonna go check to see if he's got another one of these here, but he probably doesn't. So what do I like about these old trucks? See, underneath here, it's a real struggle to find spot for this and all the other stuff. Underneath here, nah. Booster cables, 4 batteries, the whole jerry can. Just fucking all fits. Unfortunately, I couldn't find a coil here, so we're gonna have to go home and try to find a coil at my house. But I'm gonna put this all in the same video, so I'll see you guys back here tomorrow, which is gonna be the same video. So BRB, I guess. Okay, so we're back here today. We've got the battery hooked up. We got the Tacoma back. We sanded the points there with a little bit of emery cloth. Got a little bit of junk off of it. What we're gonna do now is just pour a little bit of gasoline down there. There, a little bit, yep. Give her some pumps. Okay, go for it! Oh, she's running. Try it again. Okay, let me put some more gas in there. She just loves the gasoline. Okay, try it. I guess we just gotta basically run this thing until she gets enough gas in there. Massive exhaust leak though. Let's keep running this to get the exhaust system primed up. Sorry, the fuel system. Okay. 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 Guys, I kid you not. I don't think there's any fuel in the tank. We got the points cleaned up. We got gas going into it. And now look at this. Boys and girls, she's a runner. She's a runner. She's a track star. I can't believe this. This is amazing. Alright, so what we're going to do now is we're going to get the battery cable hooked up. turn the Tacoma off, and then I'm going to see if I can drive a 3 on the tree truck, because I've never done that before. So I've never driven a... Oh, that's bad. I've never driven a 3 on the tree truck before. That feels like first. That feels like third. Where's reverse? How do you get this thing into reverse? Okay, so that's 4. Oh, that's reverse. Oh, please start up. Oh my goodness. I think this thing is just a little seized. We've never driven 3 on the tree before. It's a little bit different. But I'm driving it. No. I don't think that's first. Alright, I'm going to spend a little bit of time trying to figure out this clutch. Don't make fun of me for not knowing how to drive 3 on the tree. Well, it runs, it drives, and it drifts. That's the trio. I think I need to learn how to drive 3 on the tree a little bit better, or maybe the linkage is a little messed up. But I'm gonna be definitely figuring that one out once the warm weather comes. And the truck looks good, but I just want it a little bit lower and maybe some wider tires on it, maybe, just to make her look pretty. It's a very common bolt pattern, so we'll be able to get some nice rims and tires for it, make her a little bit wider. We're not going to throw these ones away though, and that's depressing. But I don't know what I'm going to do with it. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it or sell it or what I'm going to do with it, but I kind of like it. It's a big boaty feeling thing, other than a little boat, but it's a big boaty feeling thing, and I kind of liked it. So let me know in the comments down below and what you guys think of her. Should I keep her? Should I sell her? I really want a 55 to 57 Chevy. This is not what I'm after, but it's still very pretty. Let me know, guys. Thanks for watching.